Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are having best of your health and iman. And today's topic is phylum Deuteromycota. Phylum Deuteromycota from kingdom fungi. Okay, this is from kingdom fungi, and this is phylum Deuteromycota, which is imperfect fungi. It is known as fungi imperfecti, and this is imperfect fungi. Okay, what are the characteristics of phylum Deuteromycota? Let's see about what is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction never happened. Okay, it has never observed sexual reproduction in Deuteromycota. Yes, because they are imperfect. So how can sexual reproduction take place in it? And classification is also uncertain. It is, it is not even like check whether they are what are the classification, what genre. Just one species which is alternating in this. So this is about Deuteromycota. They do not have any special characteristics. So I hope it will be helpful for you. This is just small information about Deuteromycota. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.